Yo, what's going on YouTube? I'm back at it again real quick. Actually, this is a quick one. This is gonna be showing you guys to replace these lights right here. These are the little reflector lights. So right here, the original version, the LX, it comes with this the reflector light and this the plain one. These I already replaced, and I put a little light there. So yeah, the first one does have a screw for this one, and this one over here in the back. All right, so there's a screw here. There's a screw. I can put my phone in there. Yeah, I'm using my phone. Forget my camera is that right there. So this side I'm doing now is the driver's side. The other side I was doing was the right side passenger. But the left side, super easy. The actual screws come out simple. One, and that other one I was talking about up top on the other side that's hard to get to, this one, simple. Like literally, it's right here. You got enough space to take your screwdriver, get it out, boom. Now I got to now just take these out. Alright, so this is what it looks like when it's off. I'm gonna take this wiring out for this one. Alright, so the wiring. So it's a neutral, positive, and negative. This is what the new one getting ready to be installed on. If you want to go ahead and pop a hole, you should have a hole already, but I made this hole a little bit bigger. And then I got it right here on the bottom. That's my my pulling mechanism. So, and it's gonna come out of here. So. Careful not to scratch the wire too. Okay. After that, wiring. So that's what it looks like snapped in. There's two screws here, one there, one there. This new one only comes with the hard one. I don't like this little opening. So you kind of, if you want, you can try to kind of push against that sideways this way, kind of like finagling in. But yeah, this is how it looks. So after you install them, that's what you get right there. Right there. All right, going to the wiring. Take these two. This guy, black one, this one. You could do it differently. Actually, better way to do it differently is cutting them in half. Get the connector on there, put this crimper on it. Boom, it's a tighter fit. I'm just using tape, electrical tape. So that's that side. And same thing over here on this side. This wire actually is separate, but I tap it in with the red also. And that one is for my middle light right here. So that's what it will look like after. And then just put some electrical tape on it. Put the connector back on. And put the light assembly back on. Alright, just the finishing. Put the connector back on there. Put the light back in. Put the screw in. Make sure that's pushed in. And boom. Alright, and that's the finishing look. So that's how you install these reflector lights on a 16 Civic LX. Same model for the 2017, 2018. I'm actually about to go get my pipes, my straight pipes now. Put those on. Project's gonna look good when it's finished. But yeah, that's the complete little thing on the lights. So I'll put the link in the description if you actually want to cop these. I mean, yo, they look nice. They got actually 2 more designs. Yeah, I'll put the link in the description for this one. And I'll holler at you.